Welcome. If you want to customize camera watermark in Nokia G10, at first you have to be in the photo mode and then go for the settings. Next you have to find watermark, it's in this place, for sure you have to turn it on. And here we can change our personal message, so when you tap here you can type, for example, HardReset.info rocks. Click OK to confirm. As you can see, it changed. We can also change the theme of that personal message. I will stay with this one. Now when you tap here you can also add your own photo to the watermark. So take a look right now. I'm going to take photo in the normal mode, and as you can see right now, here we can find our personalized watermark. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.